Okay, put it.
It's not hard for real. It's just like hold it in. It might slip out twice or once, but that's fine. And actually, it's not because I'm gonna get banned. Wait. Blinker.
Hello, I'm in the toilet, please.
It's a TV. Oh my god.
Oh, this is my TV. Get out.
Bro, you.
No. My channel, bro.
Bro, what? Just turn it off, bro.
I'm gonna see if there's any.
Wait, wait.
Oh, Hella. There's a baby in there.
Bro, your mic.
I eat it. Remember?
I think it's just the Phasmo. I think it's I think it's just Phasmo is like making it bad.
If you don't look at the other players, then you don't hear him. You know? The Phasma thing. Not bad, it's just that you're too far from me. I need to see blue.
Your fingerprints. No, bro, the game just started, bro.
There is. Oh, this is goddammit the flashlight.
Actually, yeah, this is goddamn it. This is the flashlight. Yeah.
I'm gonna rage.
Did you not see it? It's a big black thing, you know.
Why can't we go outside?
Bro, you can go outside. Just go through the door. Like it's not that hard. Walk.
Well, let's go base.
Bro, how much do you gain? Your back is like 180 degrees, bro. How are you even standing? Like, that was almost 360, bro.
Where the lights at?
Do you think there would be lights in the basement? But for real, though. Yes. Ooh la la.
What is this?
Bro, what the hell? Bro, this is the most boring game ever, bro. There's nothing happening. Okay. Who turned this light off? There's a light in it.
We have every single
I
light
don't-
in the game. Nope, I'm
Is-
out.
Is someone calling you? Where the hell did you go? I was so confused when you go. Bro, was someone calling you? Or was that fake game? I can't
that
even
was
tell.
my pizza. That was my pizza delivery guy.
Ah, yes, okay, yes, got it.
Look at my phone, bro. It's broken.
How's it 6, bro? How's it 6? We haven't, like, I'm so confused, bro. How is it 6?
I'm going to.
How's it 6? Bro, where are you going?
My pizza guller is right there, bro. Around the corner, bro.
Are you trying to get some McDonald's? Like, what the hell?
Oh, pizza.
Mickey D's, bro.
New pizza.
Mickey D's, what the hell?
No, Jeffrey.
Oh, Chef Calarabone. Yes. Sorry, this might scare you, but I have to turn this light off. And this, because I have to do it, because then this wouldn't like catch anything. These dots wouldn't catch anything. Turn this off as well.
This
Yes.
okay.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, I think it's too. Yeah.
But what are we supposed to do? Let's just watch some TV. Let's just watch some TV. Let's just chill and watch some TV, you know.
That was my dog. I remember him.
You know. Bro, this is not your house even. This is not.
Yes, it is, bro.
Oh wait, is that the sus dog? You know who does the sus smile, or is it me?
Oh, that's who's the Sigma dog. You know the.
Oh no, that's the chill guy dog. Yeah. No, that's the chill guy dog.
Bobby. You know Bobby, the Clash Royale dude.
Clash Royale dog.
You know the Clash Royale.
Clash.
That.
Bro, are you the ghost? Because you look like one. Freeze! Wait, come here. I think it's freezing temps in here.
Wait, why do you got me? Wait, what? Wait, I'm coming. Wait.
I found the loom. This is the loom. The loom. Is it freezing temps? Can you tell me?
Nope. Nope.
Wait, keep looking. It has to go below 0 temperature. Is that a sink? Oh damn! I got tired. I'm just saying, I got tired. Why you can stop? Bro, you hit me, bro. Whoa. It is not opening.
Oh yeah.
Oh damn.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Why am I checking here? Oh! Grab the photo! A little photo, brother! Bro, I am filming and I'm filming when I'm filming. That is crazy. Come here, come with me.
Gummy, move me, move it, move it, move.
Wait, how does this turn on? Bro, get out of the way.
I like to move it, move it.
Bro,
I
get
like
out
to
of
move it, move it. I like to
Wait,
move it. I
look
like
at
to
this
move
ding.
it, move it.
Look at this ding ding. Oh, you can stop. Okay, I think it's the bathroom, maybe. Did this thing work? This thing do not work. But I think the bathroom is the thing dong. Aaron, are you okay? You good? I don't know what you were doing. You looked possessed for a second. You good? Bro, I have no idea who this ghost is. He is not doing. Even if there is a ghost here,
Shark toot toot.
can we just leave, bro? There's no one here. Let's just guess. I'm gonna guess. I am guessing it's I don't I don't know. Yeah, I'm guessing a spirit. Oh wait. Let me out! Yeah, I know who it is. I know who that is. I know who it is. Just put spirit. Just put spirit. Go! Hey! Hey! Daddy shark! Hey! I know it is. It's a spirit. Come on. Timmy! Well, okay. First video ever done.